Hey guys, welcome back. This is Mitchell and Landon with Hendrickson Family Farm. Today we're going to be tearing apart the old 2030 John Deere tractor, getting the hydraulic pump out. We did have a little issue with the hydraulic pump. We lost power steering, the 3-point lift arms, and the remotes. So the hydraulic pump went out. We did check some other things first. It's the hydraulic pump, unfortunately. We went out and we were baling some hay. A friend of ours called. We went and helped him out. Didn't really help him out a whole lot with the tractor. We made 2 round bales. Bearing goes out on the round baler, and then made about 60 to 75 round bales, and then the hydraulic pump goes out on the tractor. And then we ended up finishing up the job now. But I'll show you a little quick video of starting the bale. I think it cuts off right where the bearing goes out. If you stick with us, we're going to do a time lapse of pulling the pump out. And it's important when you're having a young person help you. It's give them little things to do, not to try to make them pull the whole pump out. It's something that they can see a victory in, whether it's taking off a line or just turning the steering wheel for you. It's the little victories that you can give them that just builds their confidence, and then later on you can have them rebuilding the pump or pulling the pump out. Landon, he's done some work with me. I am a mechanic, for you guys that don't know. I'm an industrial technician, mechanic, whatever you want to call me, electrician, whatever I need to be that day. I've been a heavy equipment mechanic pretty much since I got out of high school, so about 15 years. So we'll get this time lapse going, and we'll catch you at the end. Problems. One of the lines was twisted. I'd never noticed it before, which I didn't restore the tractor. Someone else restored the tractor, but when they did, I guess they had some solder right here on this joint, so it wasn't able to unscrew like it was supposed to. So that's something else we're gonna have to fix along the way this week. We got to get it going because we have tons of hay to get cut and baled. So. We got Landon working on taking a hard line off on the other side. It's that piece that I just showed you. Take you over there and let you watch him for a minute. I'll show you that line that busted as well. It's right here. That end broke off of it. And now we're going to have to pull out this hard line back through here and replace the hard line. Yeah, just set it back there on the tractor, buddy. Yep. I got the hydraulic pump out. Now we're going to start rebuilding it. That'll be in the next video. It's the hydraulic pumps for a 2030 John Deere. I believe it's a 1963 tractor. So in the next video we'll be tearing it down, getting the parts ordered, and getting it put back together, and then possibly put them back in. Just depends how long the video takes. We appreciate you guys coming along. Hit the subscribe, like button, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, go ahead, stop.